Generative engine optimization changes local decides who gets found. The label can sound smart before the system feels clear. Let's make the signal practical today. That clarity matters before competitors become the default answer. The better question is what changes when teams use generative engine optimization changes local. That is where the idea becomes practical for real operators. Once you know the job, the rest is much easier to follow. For local businesses, that job is being understood before a buyer chooses from the shortlist. At its core, generative engine optimization changes local turns messy inputs into clearer outputs. The decision pattern underneath matters most. The label matters less than the process it makes repeatable. A good audit makes that process visible before money is wasted on content nobody can interpret. This matters because slow attention loops quietly cost leads. Clear workflows make quality repeatable across every channel. That is why practical teams care when the idea reaches daily use across search, maps, and AI answers. Better visibility means fewer missed chances when buyers are ready. The pattern is simple. Context goes in and a ranked answer comes back. The surrounding structure makes the answer useful. It only looks magical until you break the steps apart. Business data, service pages, reviews, and location signals all shape the answer. You can see generative engine optimization changes local wherever buyers ask for quick answers. It often hides inside tools people already use every day. That is why the impact can feel bigger than expected. Search pages, maps, chat tools, review snippets, and answer summaries all start to overlap. Imagine a buyer asking which local provider to trust. Without structure, the answer is easy to miss. With clearer signals, the first useful answer arrives faster. That is the commercial edge BusinessRanked is built to find. The common mistake is expecting generative engine optimization changes local to fix weak signals. When the input is vague, the output stays vague in public. Structure beats excitement when visibility is at stake. A business needs evidence, not just another page of generic claims. To test generative engine optimization changes local, start with one narrow search journey. Pick one success measure before the audit begins. Once that works, widen the system without losing the original clarity. Keep the test small enough to learn from it quickly. The takeaway is simple. Generative engine optimization changes local rewards clear evidence. When the workflow is clear, the value is easier to spot and improve. That turns a confusing topic into something useful. Start by checking what AI systems can already understand about the business.